Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get live calls in the WhatsApp group as well as advanced predictions, Excel sheet you will get. And let's go to the review for the Thursday as well as the prediction for Friday. Nifty ended up in the negative 11,670.80, 58.80 points in the negative, 0.50% in the negative. Opened around 11,633.30. Low went around 11,606.50. High went around 11,744.15. Let's go to my WhatsApp group calls and the prediction review. In the WhatsApp group calls, as per the previous pre-opening around 9:13, I have given the calls because it is in the bearish belt, but still it is a volatile market. We know as per the data it is volatile market. If you saw my data, you will come to know that it is a volatile market. But still we have the bearish stop loss level, because this stop loss level is not getting it might go extremely bearish. That is the indication. If this particular stop loss is getting, it means it will close in the negative, but it will not go extremely bearish. That is what that particular stop loss level is, and we know that the stop loss level is got it, and the today's high is 11,744. I'll come to later. And we still have the pending target of 11,577 from Monday itself. It is not closed yet, even till today, Thursday. And we kept these two lots, each 10 rupees approximately. If you go my past video, you will come to know. And I asked, because the profit size is big, means we need to exit. Why? Because in the morning, this kind of gap down opening big may not give you a prediction of the levels of price, because you need to exit as soon as possible. Otherwise those price and those profits will easily come down. So that is the idea. Initially itself, I given the level, whatever the profit each and every clients need to book on their own if the size are good. And initially I did a error, which is 12,000. Instead of 12,000, we are holding 11,900 call option. But anyhow, that is not going to affect much, because we know that it is going to be a gap down. And 11,600 we booked a profit in the decent way, because it has reached high 65. And I don't know how many people are exited. We need to keep with the stop loss of 60, means that particular, because it is like moving something here and there within a matter of 5 minutes. So all you need to do is you need to exit each and every profit which they comfortable with. And the next call which I given, because we know it is a volatile market, so 11,750 call option, we bought it somewhere around 11 to 12. It went the asked to sell somewhere around 24 to 40, but somehow it was given somewhere around 20-21 range. It started to move a bit. It started to move from 15 plus. And the idea behind this, because most of the people are losing in the market because of they don't know how to trade with the stop loss. Because all we need to do is the good profit size. We need to know what is the profit size is good. Anything more than 100%, it might be 750 rupees, it might be 7,500 rupees, whatever the price money. Anything more than 100% returns you are having, that is a good profit. And the common mistake what each and every clients are doing is that they are waiting for the higher profit and losing the profit and then booking the loss. So that is the common mistake each and every clients are doing. But what I advise my clients to do is that all you need to do is that you need to fix the profit first initially. After going towards some profit, you need to protect the your investment amount. So you need to keep the stop loss cost which will protect your capital. So that is the first indication. After that, if you want to go for the higher profit after reaching some 100% or 50%, whatever it may be, you need to fix your profit size. For example, you might need to invest 3,000. It is trading somewhere around 6,000 and above. Then you need to book the profit, or you need to go for higher profits. According to that, you need to have the price of profit money which you need to think that if it is sitting as a stop loss means you need not to worry, though that is the way you need to keep as a stop loss. So if it is trading 7,000, I am keeping as a stop loss of 6,000, and remaining 3,000 will be my profit. So I am going for higher profit. So if it is going from 7,000 to 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, I am going to increase the trailing stop loss. Otherwise the stop loss will get it from 7,000 to 6,000. So my investment 3,000 will give me 6,000 profit, so 100% will be fulfilled. So these are all the ideas repeatedly I am advising my clients, and uh, they always need to follow those rules. And we want to exit this particular 11,750 call option somewhere on book profit of 20, because I know that after reaching certain level it is not moving much. So we need to exit with the stop loss or book profit, because it is traded somewhere around 21 on in those kind of range, and it is as expected, it is started to fall down as well around 17. So exiting is a much a good idea. But the 5 minute chart shown in a different manner, because it is started to move slowly. But if it is breaking these CPR levels, then it might go towards to 11,877 as well. So what I thought is that to keep small call option, which is 11,800 for 4 rupees, and we asked to buy 11,600 put option once again for 15 to 16, because it might go somewhere around 2023, even if it is close somewhere like that. But the 5 minute chart indicates 11,870 is possible. So this hero zero call 11,800 has to buy it somewhere around 4 rupees, because we know that it is going to be a hero zero because of the 5 minute chart. If it is breaking those CPR levels, it will come down towards to 11,536. It has broken this CPR level and kept low 11,606, but somehow it is not came down to the next CPR support level 2. And we given the time limit as well, around 1 hour 15 minutes the market is all 1 hour 45 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes. Yeah, the trend is still in the negative side. So if it is finishing those time tenure, it might have chances to come down. So after 1 hour 15 minutes the market has started to move a bit. It's gone towards to the positive direction. And so that movement, because of that movement, this 11,800 went from 4 to 9, and it is traded somewhere around 9. But I didn't given the exit call, because it is kind of a insurance, or if it is moving towards to that side, because we know our next stop loss level, which is 11,746.65, is not breaking, means the market will fall. So I asked to sell in the future. So if it is fall down, if it is not breaking, that is definitely market will going to fall. That is what exactly happened. And the market started to fall, and we got some 100 points from that high. It has fallen down from that particular level around 11,640-30 range. So we asked to exit in the future around book profit of 7,500. And this particular 11,000 put option, after we bought it, because we already exited with some decent profit of 47 to 60 range. So we bought it somewhere around 15 to 16 rupees. So that particular call we expected to reach somewhere around 70, because it is kind of hero zero already. We booked a profit. So small money, we still expecting that 11,577 target to reach. So that is the reason I asked to hold for that particular 11,600 put option, and at the same time 11,700 call option also we bought it for 9 and 10. So all put together it will cost somewhere around 20-25 rupees. So we booked a decent profit. So we need to take some chances. If it is breaking out, so it might go in a big way. But unfortunately after reaching some 21, it didn't move, and ended up with those two lots in a loss. But it is a good say so far, because we booked a decent profit in the future around 7,500. And one surprising thing is, today low is exactly matching in our data, 11,606.45, which is exactly matched in our data. uh, if you check the average of bearish level and the support level, for those two average which gives exactly matching in the data, that is why it is not fall down beyond that level 11606.44. It is recovered from that low, otherwise it would have gone and reached towards to the next low. So on that particular low it started to move a bit on the higher side as well. 11,744.15, we given 11,746. Why? Because the resistance level 1, 11,746 plus 10 points is the stop loss. Normally we used to keep 10 points as the stop loss, so 11,046.64. That is the reason the stop loss is not getting it. It means market will fall down. Exactly, that is what happened, and given 100 points in the future. So normally support level 1 is for the bullish stop loss, resistance level 1 is for the bearish stop loss. This is the common rule, and other rules are there for the volatile stop loss. We will keep in the overall average, and this volatile below means higher, adding and subtracting 10 points. Normally 10 points is the stop loss we need to, because it is matching with our data. And let's go to the prediction for Friday. The data indicating ratio on the downside 7:11, and the average indicating downside 1:2, but the difference of 1.8 might have chances to recover from the low, and the weightage is indicating positive and absolute frequency indicating negative, but once again 1 point difference, which means it might have chances to recover. What it shows that it is once again a volatile market. So after gone towards to the downside on the negative, it might have kept the low exactly matching, means it might have chances to recover. So all we need to watch out is that the bearish open target level, whether it is breaking or not. So 11,612.95 is not breaking, then market will having chances to recover. At the same time, we have another level which is negative average, which is almost yesterday's low, near to yesterday low. So keeping stop loss in that level 11,598.90 is the stop loss. These two levels we will take this particular level. Why? Because it is not having much difference. So 11,598.90 is not breaking, the market will having chances to recover from the low towards to the positive, or towards to the bullish level. So all we need to watch out is that how the pre-market is going to open. If the market is opens volatile zone below that level, means bearish will catch. The overall average stop loss is the level which we need to watch out. Why? Because if this particular level is not breaking, once again the market will start to fall down towards the negative. So 11,006, we add 10 points, means it will come 11,701.85 is the stop loss for the bearish. The extreme bearish, it will come in the overall average itself. Resistance level 1 itself, which is 11,684, means 11,694.80. So 11,694.80. So not much difference, around 16 to 17 points. Only difference we have those two as a stop loss. If those two stop loss getting hit, means it will go in the volatile manner for the bearish side, and those are the bearish stop loss. And the bullish stop loss, if anything market opens in the above volatile level 1, we need to keep in the stop loss of 11,681.80 is the stop loss for the bullish, and normal stop loss, which is support level 1, which is 11,654.96. These two levels as a bullish stop loss. What are the difference between these two? Which is, if anything opens above the volatile level and not breaking the overall average, means it might go extremely bullish. It might go 100, it might go 250, 300, something like that, unlimited. But if it is breaking the overall average stop loss, which is breaking, then if it is supporting, means it will be a normal bullish. So that is the difference. And the test level, which indicates that if it is breaking, and once if it is breaking the bearish open target, and again this a negative average will get support. If it is breaking, it might go to any extent. So that is what the test level is indicating. So it is going to be a tough trade for Friday, because it is a volatile market. All we need to keep both the options in hand. The premiums will have a little higher on the yearly market, so we need to buy somewhere around 2 hours or 3 hours later. So we need to keep both the options in hand, which will be advisable. Let's see how the market is going to give us. And the pre-market open, which anything less than 11,856, indicating the bearish trend, negative target 1 and negative target 2 will be getting activated. Even those are all in the flat range, which is clearly indicating a positive will slightly have some control, unless until if anything breaks that 11,609, which repeatedly coming today's low and the negative average, everything's quite indicating the same. If you check 11,608 and today's low is 11,606. So this level is going to be very crucial for Friday. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. Thank you.